This one's called Guns N' Roses. I haven't hit bottom just once, I've hit it 100 times. Don't know nothing, a little about pussy, a little about rhymes. You'd think a genital infection would put me in line. I guess we'll see. Give it time. Give it time. Beer and Percocet, Ativan and Xanax. Pain so great I can't hesitate. I was a good boy at 18, lived the religious life, squeaky clean. I guess that's when I hit bottom. I guess that's when I really hit bottom at 21. Religion wasn't very much fun. Enormous psychodrama, OCD, scrupulosity. Does this fucking wanker ever write about happy times? When I see them, you'll be the first in line. The main key to survive borderline addiction may keep you alive. No one understands. Not your girlfriend, not your parents, no one cheering in the stands. I look to the 80s, Guns N' Roses, Metallica, Queensryche, Poison. They had the cure to scrupulosity, Axl Rose for sure, but my whole adult life has been worry, one thing on top of another. I tell you, when this rash clears, I'm going to find a girl and make love that makes sense to me in this twisted short sleeve shirt. I'd fuck a heavy girl. I'd fuck a skinny girl. I'd fuck any girl. Open up your Jenny and I'd fuck someone 50. That'd be nifty. I'd fuck someone 35. Sweet Jesus, am I alive? Sweet Jesus, am I insane or am I alive? 4 years of chastity. I had an infection, you see. I had to do the dermatology and he told me scant growth of Streptococcus B. Finally antibiotics and now a fungal growth. Antifungal medication. How did these guys fuck 100 girls without hesitation and stay clean? They didn't. And they spread their disease like a warm summer breeze. HIV, AIDS, herpes, HPV, warts. These have no cure for sure. Fuck me, fuck my dog. I pray, my Lord, out of the fog to a wife of my dreams, and that again it seems I've got the gift of singleness. So get me a doctor's report, otherwise you have to treat her like a whore. I've been tested, yeah, I've been tested for everything, and this test wasn't happy, but the thing is a cure in my future. The thing is, there's a cure in my future, and I thank God for this with a holy kiss.